Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make Falooda noodles at home. Before we start off with the video, please do check out our channel for other such videos. We show simple steps to get these amazing shades. Let us know in the comment section which shade you like the most and which shade you want to see next. We also show some quick and easy hacks which you can try at home. Now to start off with the video, first I'm going to take a pan and I'm going to put in half a cup of corn flour into it. Now to this I'm going to pour in 1 and 1/4 cup of water. And then I'm going to mix it nicely so that there's no lumps in it. Once you feel that there are no more lumps in it, place it on the stove and put it on the highest flame. Guys, always remember to keep mixing or else the corn flour will settle down and it'll get lumpy. So keep on stirring. You can see as you keep stirring, it's all coming together now. I'm showing you the slow process so that you can see how well it combines. I'm gonna keep mixing it until it turns transparent in color. Once it's turned transparent in color, I'm gonna add in a very little amount of vanilla essence and give it a good mix. Now to this you can add in any color of your choice. I am adding in pink food color. And I'm gonna mix it nicely together now. Now at this point, if you want to do multiple colors, you can divide the mixture and add in different colors. You can see as I kept mixing, I've got the perfect pink shade. Next, I've taken a bowl full of ice cubes and to this I'm gonna add in 3 cups of water. After that, I've taken a piping bag and I'm gonna make a small cut at the end of it so that it comes out in noodle shape. Then, I filled up the piping bag with the corn flour mixture. Guys, remember to wear an oven mitt because the mixture will be hot. And then, I'm gonna take the bowl and I'm gonna squeeze the mixture into the bowl as shown in the video. After squeezing the mixture into the bowl, I'm gonna move it around with my hand like this. You can see it's come out really well. Now if you want them in smaller pieces, you can cut them. But since I don't want it to be in smaller pieces, I'm gonna leave it as it is. Now the next step is to strain out the water. And there you go guys, the Falooda noodles is now ready. You can make them in different shapes and balls too. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe and turn on the bell icon to get notified on our new videos.